We work on a series of projects, obviously. Cotton is a very important crop around here, so we work on cotton, but we work also on vegetable production. So I think that we need some diversity. Right now, cotton is extremely important, but as a university, we cannot work only on cotton. I think we need to work also with other crops. The grape production is increasing very, very fast in this region. We export a large part of our grapes to Fredericksburg in the hill country of Texas, where the wine is produced. Texas Tech did invest quite a bit to develop our viticulture and enology program, both here in Lubbock but also in Fredericksburg, to help the producers make a better product. There is a need also for fresh food, fresh vegetables. One of the big issues we have in the US is that especially the kids eat very, very few vegetables, mostly because they don't taste right. So therefore, there is currently several faculty at Tech that work on producing vegetables of high quality to try to fit this market need. If the kids don't eat vegetables, they eat junk food. If they eat junk food, they have problems with diabetes, obesity, inflammation, and it has a very high cost on the rural societies in general and also in the cities. So developing a wider range of products, I think is something important that Texas Tech is very involved in.
Rural communities, not only in the South Plains, but in many other regions of United States and actually in the entire world, are facing problems of water availability, drought, increasing salinity in soils, reduced fertility of soils. And my research relates exactly to those topics: how to breed new varieties that can withstand these environmental stresses that could help the farmer to produce more with less inputs. I have two main goals. One is to create a new institute that will promote the use of new breeding technologies to improve tolerance to abiotic stress. Abiotic stress is any type of environmental stress, drought, salinity, heat that might affect the growth and productivity of crops. So that's one of the missions I have. And the other one is to establish a research program that helps us use this genomic information to breed new varieties that are more tolerant to drought and to salinity and heat. So cotton is suffering from water availability, and we also want to combine new crops that have better resilience against environmental factors, but also have better fiber quality, so that we can have a crop that gives a higher input to the farmer. Water is becoming one of the most valuable assets for not only for agriculture, for all human activities. So we need to make a more efficient use of water. So one of the aims of our projects is to make plants that can produce the same or more with less water. So that is to increase the water use efficiency of the plant. It means how many kilograms of grain or product you can have with 1 kilogram of water. So that's what we are aiming to do, and that's the way we want to help the farmer, and also to help fight the impacts of global change, which is a major challenge that it hasn't given enough importance, but it will be a major problem for the generations to come.